if you set yourself a goal, it should be when, but I mean, if you set yourself a goal or goals, whether it's in your personal life and your business life, and they don't scare you, make you uneasy, a little bit uncomfortable, then you are not thinking big enough. You're still staying in your comfort zone, in my view. Now, people can disagree. That's okay. We all have opinions, right? Now, look, I have people look at my lifestyle and just go, wow, I'd love to live like ToeCrackers lived since he left Australia, April 2006, living the international lifestyle, income without borders, right? And you know what? There's other people that wouldn't want my life. So it just depends on yourself as to what you really want. And it's probably a good time to assess your goals. I mean, what are your goals in your business, right? Is it that you just get to X so you can be comfortable, right? And if so, it's time to really assess whether you're playing it too safe. Think bigger. Now, let's say in your business, you're turning over 200,000 a year now, 200,000 pounds, depending what country you're in. And you've got this goal. You'd be comfortable if you got to X, Y, $500,000 or £500,000 turnover with X profit, so you and the family could live comfortably. Right? Now, that might be an easy progression over a few years to get to. But what if you set yourself the magical million, the £1,000,000, the $1,000,000 turnover, right? And just push yourself that little bit more so that ultimately the delayed gratification is that you have a much better lifestyle for you and your loved ones. Now, if instead of going for the $500,000 and you go for $1 million, and you only hit $923,000 a year or £923,000 in gross turnover with good profit margin, have you failed? Fuck no, right? Because you've shit all over that $500,000 that you would have gone for playing it safe, being comfortable.